Hi friends, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. This is Yasin from ZEAL Computers Bangalore. ZEAL Computers is one of the training institute in Bangalore. We are serving from 3 decades in Bangalore, more than 31 years in Bangalore. We have excellent team of trainers and we have well equipped lab facility if somebody wants to join for offline courses. We do have offline and online courses starting from basic to advanced level. We start from basic courses like MS Office. In MS Office also we cover 100% Excel, 100% PowerPoint, MS Word and all that. So Excel, we all know that one of the very useful application today, used in almost all the companies. So we do train on that 100%, and we definitely have assured and very well trained challenging trainers. Not only these basic applications, we do have applications related to designing like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and we do have Flash for animation. Apart from all these, we are into development also. We do have programming languages like C, C++, Java, advanced part of Java, Python, advanced part of Python, where we make use of artificial intelligence and machine learning also with AI. And almost all the applications like Excel, MS Word and all we teach with artificial intelligence, with AI. So which is one of the most, very important, everyone must understand how we can make use of this AI. So we do cover all that. With all programming languages, especially with Python, we cover entire, artificial intelligence programming and machine learning also. So friends, we have offline courses for you. If you walk into our office, we do have a well-equipped lab for you with a very well-trained trainers. Or you can go for our online courses also. You just walk in to our organization and just call us and take the information from us, and you can always join our institute either for offline or for online. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಾವು ಸಂಕೋಚ ಪಡೋದೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಸಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಮ್ದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡೇ.